Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. So the one great thing about your flat iron dying is that you get to buy a new one. So my half inch finally kicked the bucket just like a couple days ago, and I was like, dang, my half inch flat iron didn't die. But I got a new one. I got the Babyliss Pro. And I just got one of these when I was at the hair show. I got the 1.5 inch. And so this time I decided to get the half inch. And I've never had a Babyliss half inch flat iron. And it's actually pretty interesting as I'm opening it. It's got it's long. Like my old one was not this long. I didn't see any videos online about this flat iron. So I was like, maybe I should make one. As you can see, it's got like the floating plates. So when you close it, it's like crunching down a little bit. It does have heat settings. That's why I wanted to get this one instead. They had one at Salon Centric, I think that was like $40 something, but it didn't have the temperature controls. It was just like off and on. This one is from 300 to 450. It doesn't have like where you can really super customize it. It's like 300, 340, 375, 410, 450. So I mean, that part is a little bit, but it's pretty much the same, the exact same as the bigger flat iron, just a smaller plate. It has the same fabric coated cord, and then it also has a swivel cord. So I'm excited to use this, see how this goes. I think it'll be good for like doing the edges. I know that this flat iron in particular, it can get really close to the root because of the way that it's made. And the plates, as you can see, they go all the way to the edge of the flat iron, which is great. You're able to really get in there close. So I'm excited to use this. Also using it for short hair. I'm excited to try this flat iron. Like I said, it's really long compared to the one I had before. I think the one I had before might have been only about this long. It was a pretty short plate, whereas this one has super long plates. So that's interesting. I also ordered some combs. I needed some more carbon combs. Particularly, I needed another like rat tail carbon comb. So I tried this company. I've never had any combs and stuff from them. This is level 3. So it's a comb pack. Let's open it and see. It's a 9-piece comb pack from level 3. Oh, it comes with a case. So it's got this case here. Open it and see what we got. Oh, come on, level 3. This is fancy. Got this little flip right here. And then it's like a book. Oh, wow. Interesting. Got some combs, y'all. My client's about to come in, so I'm about to leave. Peace out. It's me, your boy, and I'm back. Okay, so yeah, I showed y'all I got a new flat iron. I got the half inch Babyliss Pro. I used it for the first time on Saturday, and so far I like it. I only used it to straighten off somebody's edges, and her hair was pretty straight already, but it gets close, and I like that. So far so good on that one. And then the combs, I like the ones I've used. I like so far. I used some to cut hair today, and I like them as hair cutting combs. I used I think I already put it in they have like a flat top comb, which is the first one I use. I don't know what to call this kind of comb, but this is the kind of comb it is. Needs to be cleaned. So then also, I've been looking at a product called STS. I had this part of the STS system already, which this is the damage recovery anti-breakage treatment. I didn't know that the STS was a whole system. And I've done this before. I did this with the Mazzani brain coat. I only had the serum, but I didn't have like the moisturizer part, so tripping. But so I already had this part, but I've ordered from Salon Centric, and they have this stuff on sale right now. I have the other steps, which is the step 2. This is the mousse. This is set to smooth frizz up to 12 weeks, ready and shine. Alternative to chemical straighteners. I have a client right now. I can't really call what her curl pattern is. She has like cotton hair, like where it's like it doesn't really have a curl pattern, It doesn't really stay straight very well. It frizzes up pretty easily. So definitely high porosity hair, but I'm not entirely sure what her curl pattern would be, but I suggested this as an alternative because she doesn't really want to relax her hair. She hasn't found very much success when her hair was relaxed, so she was trying to find something different. And I think this would be a great alternative. Like I said, it's supposed to smooth. It's used as a smoothing system. So yeah, this is the step 2. This is the mousse. The clarifying shampoo, which is step 1. So the order of this product line is the step 1, which is the clarify. This is a cleansing sulfate free shampoo, gently cleanses impurities. Usually I don't buy the shampoo that goes with stuff, but I just was like, let me just buy the whole system so I can make sure that I'm using it in the way that it's supposed to be, so I can get maximum results out of it. So like I said, this is the step 1. You have the step 2, which is the mousse. You'll leave this on for 15 minutes and you put it on small sections. Then we also have, this is the step 2 too. So this is the spray, step 2. I think I'm going to use both because I want it to really do its thing. I want it to do its big one. Then we have the step 3. This is a leave-in sealant. So you spray this on at the end and then you blow dry and flat iron with all the products left on the hair. This seals the cuticle, creates moisture balance, provides soft, shiny, lustrous hair. I'm excited to try it. When I try it, I am going to do a video on it just to see how it works. I also kind of want to try it on my hair just to see like what it'll do, because I've heard that when you do it, your hair still will curl up. It just you have kind of more of a smooth curls and your hair is just a little bit more manageable. So I'm interested to see how it will work on my hair. Then I also got this. This is the Wet Pro Customized Curl Detangler. Kind of gives you the vibe of a Denman brush, just with how you can take the teeth out and stuff and add them back in. I think it comes off at the top right here. Thicker bristles for coarse curls, thinner bristles for fine curls. So this is like a mix, back and forth between the dark and the light. Gentle no snag nylon bristles, minimize damage. Push cap away from bristles. Push cap away from bristles, slide in your perfect bristle combination, snap back securely in place. Yeah, push it back. So it's got like the little places right there. You just slide this part in and then these bristles come out. You just slide them out. Seem like these bristles don't have no give either. They're like firm, super firm. So I'm interested to see how this brush will work. They have wet on sale, so I was like, why not? I always just buy a random brush to try when they have sales on this kind of stuff. So we'll see how this one works, if I need to adjust this some. I'm a powder brush kind of guy, so I'm interested to see if this will be good for doing blowouts and blow drying hair. So like I said, the construction is different. This is like hard plastic. It doesn't have like the little spongy back that usual Denman brush or that powder brushes usually have. It also isn't like, this brush is dirty, don't judge me. It doesn't have the rubber. Normal Denman brush, like a Denman brush, is rubberized, whereas this is not. This is that hard plastic all the way throughout. So we'll see how this goes, how this works. Interested to try it. Some more of their press agent raincoat. Like I said, when I first got this, I only had the serum, but the products do work better when you use them in the way that the manufacturers want you to use them. I mean, that's why they made them. That's why they put them together. They're supposed to work together. So I got this. This product is great. I love the combination. I think I get pretty good results with using this combination on my silk presses. Then also for retail, I use this wax on my clients, my straight hair clients, my straight hair clients who have like textured tops and stuff like that. This is the matte texture putty, medium hold putty, and this is from Kenra. Some of my clients have asked if I have it in. I haven't had it and they had it on sale. So I was like, let me grab a couple of these so I can sell them. But that's all for the haul today. Short, sweet, to the point, but I just wanted to show what I got, that's it. Peace. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, share this video with any hairstylists you know. Any products that you might be interested in me trying, send them to me. I will try them. I like trying new stuff. Also, I will do a video on the SDS and see what the results are like, so you guys can see how the product works. I seen a couple videos on YouTube, but there weren't a whole lot. Of course, Design Essentials has their educational videos, but as far as like consumers using it, well, not necessarily the consumers, but professionals using it, I didn't see too many videos. So I definitely want to show you guys how it works and if it would be beneficial for your hair type.